Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, May 28th. Well, still more trading within this pattern for today, and this large congestion area. We haven't broken out yet, and we now have a lower high and a lower low. So the trend has changed within the pattern to the downside, so it's likely that we might be testing this support area here, perhaps tomorrow, potential breakout within the next few days if the market goes on with that. Now the pattern that we have is a descending triangle, and when we have a descending triangle we have lower peaks within the pattern but equal troughs within the pattern. And the propensity is for that pattern to break out to the downside. Now we need to remember that the trend in the second time frame is still up, so there is still a chance that that trend could still be enforced and the breakout could be to the upside as well. Now if there is an upside breakout, I have a feeling that it could be fairly strong and we could take out this area of resistance quite strongly, and that's because of the size of this pattern. The pattern is fairly large. So, and we're building up a lot of energy within this pattern, like a spring coiling up. And when you get the breakouts within these patterns, they can be quite fast moves. Now, we do need to remember, if the breakout is not as strong as we'd like to see, we need to consider that there is this zone of resistance here. So, very important to watch what happens with a breakout to the upside. And if we do get a breakout to the downside, we don't have any support from our Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen, which are these two lines. The first area of support that we're going to run into are these swing lows down here, and probably the top of the cloud or the Kumo. And we know that the Kumo can act as an area of support. So we have support in this area, roughly about 850, and depending on when the market interacts with the Kumo, it'll be roughly around the same area actually. The candle for today was green, so it was bullish and a fairly large body again. So it means that the buyers made some solid net gain and they closed up near the high, which means that the buyers were in control and showed some commitment. But we had a first time frame downtrend established, so in a way that negates the bullishness in this market, but that's what you'd expect to see when the market is trading within a large congestion area such as this. So still, while we're trading in this area, we just need to be patient and wait for the breakout. If we look at our Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, the Tenkan-sen is pointing sideways, which means that there's no momentum. The Kijun-sen has just ticked up. Now that's interesting that it's done that. That could be giving us some sort of a hint that there might be some upside momentum potentially to this market. So, but still, even though that's happened, we still need to wait for the confirmation of the breakout.